Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today we've got this Parkside Multifunctional Detector with a laser rangefinder. The model is PMML 5A2, 3 years warranty. Detectable materials are metal, power cables and wood. Max detection depth at metal it is 24 mm, for power cables 35 mm and for wood 38 mm. Measurement modes is distant measurement, area and volume calculation, continuous measurement and addition. Measuring ranges from 0.175 to 20 meters. Measurement unit is metric and imperial. Batteries included inside. Practical locating device and precise laser distant measurement is this device. And let's open it to see what we have inside and how we can use it. Ooh, that is a huge unit. Batteries included. Quite thick this manual. To my honest opinion, I didn't expect to be so huge this device. Nice. We can see we've got included spirit level for aligning tiles, wall cabinets and more. We've got the compact housing, practical one-hand operation and surface friendly parts, we can see here. Right and left we've got the retractable rear wall holding pins. Be careful, don't hurt yourself. Just press this plastic and there's the pin. Ooh. And I can say it is very pointed. That's why we've got this attention here mark. And from the other side press and there it is. Wow. Okay, we can see this large display at the front, hanging point here. We can see we've got the AC wire button, we've got the metal button, the start button, the power button on off, the mode button, the memory button, the MEAS button, and of course we've got the plus equal button. Here it is the switch MEAS and detect laser line. And there we've got the push button. I will show you of course all that how you can work and how you can manage to find out the right settings and option for this device. Now let's install the batteries at the back. And turn it on. We've got a large display with a green background. You can see the numbers are upside down because we are in a laser distant mode and on a detection mode for stud, metal and AC wire. Mode, we can see we can choose a square meter, cubic meter and typical measurement. Press the MEAS button, laser is on, press again and you can take the measurement. The same for the other two modes. And by pressing one of these detection button, let's say for metal, you can detect metal. And again, MEAS, it can go to the laser measurement. And laser line, from here, you have the laser line, make the right alignment, and maybe you need to install tiles, you have a renovation, install tiles, shelves on the wall, paint. You can alignment your countertop at your kitchen before install it. So many things that you can do with this laser level line. And by sliding this switch, it goes to the laser measurement and detection. And taking one measurement, press this button and then take another measurement. Pressing this button and you will have the total results of the two measurements. Nice, I like it. 0 again. And you can store it at the memory. You can see we've got the M+. And take another measurement. And you have the new measurement and the measurement that has been stored to the memory. Very convenient. Now let's take some measurements of the space, square meter and cubic meter. Now measurement the square meter of a space. Let's go at this mode. Take the first measurement and the next measurement. And we can see we've got 27.57 square meter. And at all the time when the backlight is turned off, press the power on button and it is on. And next to measure the cubic meter mode, This is the cubic meter. Take the first measurement, second measurement, and the third measurement. And there we are. We've got a 74.11 cubic meter. And of course you can take a typical measurement, maximum 20 meters. Turning on the laser line, and with a spirit level here we can make the alignment. We've got a straight line. We can use it for installing tiles, paint our wall, we can install cells at the wall, and so many things. Nice. And by pressing the metal and this button on the side, press and hold, and there we can find metal at the wall. This is a concrete wall with a rebar inside, and he can detect. Nice. Or we can switch on a AC wire, press this button, and we can see there is a wire at the wall. Nice. Well guys, that was all about this Parkside multifunctional tool. It is 3-in-1, it can measure, level and detect. It costs only 25 euros, and if you need to buy such kind of tool, I think it's a great opportunity to buy it. It's doing a great job, as you can see at my test. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, it takes only 1 second, press the subscribe button. Share this video, you never know who may need it. Hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.